Morning, guys. We are actually getting ready. Everything is a mess today. Everything is just going crazy. We're in a rush. We have to go and watch Michael's nephew play in a game like 30 to 45 minutes away, and everybody's trying to get ready. They're playing music. Let me turn this down. I don't even know how to work this damn system. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. And last night we went to a Christmas like show, Christmas Carol, and I recorded, so I'm gonna put the footage from the Christmas Carol at the end of the video. Didn't cut it out at the end of the video, so you guys will see that. So like I said, I gotta get ready because he's eating, trying to get ready. Remember this? Bankhead bounce. So yeah, let me finish getting whatever bankhead bounce. So let me finish getting everything ready, and I guess get on our merry way to watch this football game. Okay, guys, so we are on our way to the game. Oh, my camera looks so foggy. Gosh. Is that better? Not really. But we are on our way to the game. The kids are in the back. Everyone say hi. Hi. That's Kyla right there, my stepdaughter. You guys saw her before when she was sick in the old vlog. And Michael is outside pumping the gas. Ooh, about to sneeze. Ooh, that's me. Hi, Tutu. What's up? Lonnie's all the way in the back. Leon. So yeah, we're on our way. We're about to pick up Mike also. And yeah, I don't know if you guys can see Mike. Yeah, he's out there pumping gas. Y'all, my outfit of the day, like I always do, inside of the car. Out of my gold hips, earring, hoops, same old ring, this bracelet. I got this from a store called Kenneth David. I think that's where I got it from, but it's shut down now. A black top with gold necklace. I don't know if y'all can see my jeans, some blue jeans, and my boots, my black boots. So, see, and that is my outfit of the day. We're driving. Michael's in the car. He's not gonna say that much because he's driving. We're in a rush, but he's gonna say hi though, right? Or he's gonna what? Yoda. That text, say hi, Mike. Hi, Mike. This is the Phylicia. Hi, let's say hi. Hi. Look at her hair. I did her hair. Well, not her braids. Her mom did her braids, but I styled it. Isn't that cute? You like it? You know you're on YouTube, right? Huh? No. Well, you are. That's Mike's nephew right there, number 3. That's his brother right there with the jacket on, black jacket. Yeah, I know. My eyes burning. I got woke up too early. What's up, Tutu? Stupid. So we've made it home. Well, I was going to try to turn the light on. The light already on. We've made it home. Michael is playing the game. And my Lenny. Shit, I think Florida State playing. I mean, Florida playing. Talk about football. Anyways, this is so dark. It looks so dark. Yeah, so like I was saying, that's better, I guess. Not really, but we're home. Are we gonna go? Are we gonna go and get Ninja Turtles? I thought you said you was going. Yeah, but you also said that you wanted to get something to drink. Nah, I nigga had a boo-boo. Really? He just wanted to say that he had a boo-boo on camera. Dude, yes you did. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles because I have a cold. that I get a free movie inside of my text messages. So I'm gonna get Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, or hopefully it's available, because we tried different red boxes and they were out everywhere. So everyone's trying to watch that movie. So that's gonna be the movie for tonight. Last night we watched Gone Girl. It was pretty good. Kind of weird at the end. We didn't like the way it ended, but it was good. I'm standing here because the lighting is better here and it's kind of dark over there. But yeah, I guess I'm going to end the vlog here. Sorry for the short vlog, but it's a short vlog. What else do I need to say? What else? I guess that's it. So like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to add in the Christmas performance that we watched at the church last night. Yeah, I'm going to add that in right after this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Michael, you have anything you want to say?
Bye, Tutu.
Really? That's all you gotta say? Bye, Tutu. Like Milani. I'm gonna come over there. I'm running. Anything you have to say, Michael? You can barely even see me.
Yeah, man, you know, we're about to go get on the road out here in these streets.
What are you talking about?
Nigga, we going to the store, ain't it?
Yeah, but...
So we getting out in these streets. Yeah, and I said streets on purpose.
He always trying to be Ratchet.
You know, you know me.
He always trying to do that on purpose. He know it irritates me, so he does it on purpose. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give us a thumbs up if you like this vlog. Give us a thumbs up if you did not like this vlog. We enjoyed vlogging for you guys today, taking you guys along with us. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel if you already did not. Subscribe to Phylicia's Life. Enjoy the Christmas performance that we enjoyed last night at church. Good night, guys.